if you export your audio every week and you're still typing your title, artist name, and every other details from scratch every single time, you're wasting time. Let me show you a faster and organized way of doing this using XML templates. So I'm about to export this recorded sermon, and I will create an XML template. So you go to File, Export Audio, Export to Computer. Then typically the file name and the track title are the most important details, and they're the same thing. So for this, the file name would be the tests of patients. Then also what I do is when I want to create my file name or type in my file name or track title, I use uppercase, and that way everything stays structured. I use uppercase because, like I said earlier, the file name or the track title is the most important detail of the track. So now let's create an XML template. So we come to edit metadata, then I'll just paste in our track title. Oops. Track title. Then to save time, I have it all the details here. So copy. So that will be the artist name. So paste. So paste it here, the album. So the album title, this is typically something, the name you give to like a show. In my own context, it's a recorded church sermon, so like a program. So typically a church will have several programs, so Sunday service, midweek service, and the likes. So that's what you put in your album title. Then for the year, so this is the format I use. I just put the year, the month, and the day. Then you come to save. Then year is very important, so I'll take it with the tag. Then put in the word, name my XML template. So the word con. Let's say the word con or conference. All right. So then I save. Then after that, okay. Then I'd export. So now our file is done exporting. So let's go to where it's saved at. So I have it on ready folder on my desktop. I'll just open it. As you can see, this is what my library looks like. Look at how structured it is. Then this is the file we recently just exported. So the test of patients, file name, file title, track title, the artist name, the album title. As you can see, so I have different templates. I have different XML templates for different programs. So I have Holy Ghost service, I have Bible study, and then the Word conference that we just created. So when next you want to export any file on Audacity, let's go back to Audacity. So typically what you just have to do is come to File, Export Audio, then you come to Edit Metadata. Remember your file name and your file track title are meant to be the same thing. Then you can use uppercase to make it look more structured and organized. Then edit metadata. What I just have to do is I come to load, click the load, then I select any of the templates I want. So for instance, let's say I choose the Holy Ghost service template. So what it would do is once I select it, open, it would autofill the artist name, track title, album title, and the year. So what I just have to do is I'll have to rename my track title, but my album title would have already been there. My artist name would have already been there with the format I want them to be in. Then I'll just edit the year. So thank you. I'm Provic, your church media solution guy. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.